guys!
Hi guys!
We're happy today kasi kukunin na namin ang aming brand new car. Naghintay na kami guys ng taxi kasi magta-taxi lang kami from here para hindi na namin i-park dun yung car ni Tonton, which is the company car. So, kasama namin si Gian and si Kuya Josh! Yay! Josh, fast, fast, fast! Fast, go, 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 go! Go, go, go! Wait, Nak, wait, wait, wait! Come, come, come! Yeah! Ah! Let's go!
Inayat, right?
What? Okay, let's go, let's go! Bye! Let's go!
What is a Captiva?
Yes, we're going to get the Captiva. Okay. Down. Down, down, down. Up. Go up there. Yeah. Come here. Check the car. Maybe you'll have something there. Let's go! So, we're here guys sa showroom. Sa showroom ng Chevrolet, GMC, and so on. Oh, magkano yun? Magkano binayaran mo? 45 agad yung naubos natin sa taxi.
Ito na yun eh. Kalating linggong gasolina. Yung isang linggo, 100 eh.
Aba. Ito pala ang pangalan ng showroom na to, Algandi Auto. Nasaan? So, ayan guys. Nare-release na yung car.
Here.
Just under it.
Yun.
Every 1,000.
Should be first at 1,000, the second will be every 10,000.
Okay.
Guys, tingnan nyo, sobrang dami ng cars dito. Ang gaganda. Nice. See? Andun pa si Brian. He's just signing all the documents needed para ma-release yung car. And at the same time, ito, nagpi-place na Zoe. Sobrang dami ng cars. Ang gaganda. The sports car. Ang ganda. Oof. So, ayan guys. Yung package na ibibigay. Nice. Okay na? Magche-check muna kami ng car. Yun daw yung bibili ni Josh. Josh, which one you like? So, habang nag-iintay kami kay Batonton, we're going to check one of the car. And may gustong i-check si Josh na GMC ata yung gusto niya. Come here, Nak. Come here. Josh, it's so expensive, the GMC. Yun din na gusto kong car eh. Kasi sobrang... Oh, come, come, come. I'm waiting for you. Don't cry. Come here. Come, come. Yes. Let's go. Let's go. Let's check the car. Here. Ito, Josh, ang gusto mong i-try? Where are you? Huh? Here, Nak. Here, here, here. Josh, I cannot see you. Nawala na si Josh sa dami ng car. Sobrang lalaki pa. Where are you? Oh, where are you? Ano, Han? Tawagin mo ako ha pag nandyan na. Go. Aba, ito pala gustong car ni Josh. Ay, sorry, sorry. Ito gusto mong car? O sabi mo kay Daddy. Oh, how much, Daddy? Oh. Ang mahal. This is the GMC. 7-seater. Yes, Nak. Okay, let's go to Daddy. We'll try our car. Go, let's go. Come, come, come. Come, let's go. Ah. Oh, let's go, let's go. Daddy is calling us. Come.
Happy Valentine's
Wow.
Day!
Thank you. Happy Valentine's. Look, Nak. You have a flower from Daddy.
From Daddy.
Yeah. Oh. Oh. Oh, you hold. Yes. Zoe. Go, Nak. Go. Where?
3!
Wow. Nice. Thank you. Actually, ang ina-expect ka talaga, may paribon pa sila dyan. Walang paribon. At yung malaking key, sa Pinas lang ata yung ganun eh. So, ayan. Start mo na, Han.
Let's take photo.
To the Salik, huh?
Yeah. Where's the nearest patrol?
If you go out, you'll go left. Make a
Hi, Gian.
I'm going to Mangkul.
Ah, go. Up, up. Hey. Nauna na ang dalawa, oh.
Zoe, take the key. Smile.
Let's say hi.
There.
You say hi. And your agent? Say hi there. Hi. What you will ask, Nak?
This is candy.
Come here. Come and say hi to me, then I'll
Say hi.
Come.
Go.
Shake hand with Tito.
No, this thing.
You shake hand from there?
Come here, na.
Yeah.
I will give it to him.
Oh my
Come
gosh.
here, then I will give it to you.
Go. She got the keys.
Oh, really?
No, you go. Bring. Oh, Gian is there.
Oh, Jen is there. Oh, shake hands.
Let's go. Here.
Yeah, you go together.
Oh.
See?
Oh.
This is for you and for him as well. You will share with him. Is he your brother? What's his name? Gian. You are Gian? Give me high five. And you give me high five. And what's your name?
Joshua.
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 Joshua, how are you, Joshua? You know, you are not naughty, but she's very naughty. See?
Zoe.
See? These are not
Say,
candies.
say. What you will say? What you will say?
Ah.
Thank you, brother.
Man,
I'm taking it.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Enjoy. huh?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Let's go home. Wow, you're so happy, Nak. I can see it in your eyes. Wow.
Try the car.
Okay, let's drive it.
I drive a car.
May paano pa si Zoe, pa switch pa. Let's go, let's try. Let's do a mini tour here. So, ito guys, pakita ko lang sa inyo ang aming, it's lock. Han, it's lock. Ah, saan? Ay, kabila pala. Namali agad, hindi agad nakilala. So, ito guys, ang aming brand new car. Hindi ko napapakita ang aming plate number. Pero ano siya, Chevrolet. 7-seater. And this is the Captiva. When you open it, the interior is color cream. Ayan. Gandahan, ang ganda. Ang ganda. Meron din siyang sunroof. Yay. Marami nang mailalagay pag nag-camping. Let's go na, let's go. Go inside. We need to go go to Lola Lori and bless the car, okay? Go.
Car.
Mm-hmm.
And then this is for her.
Yes.
Say hot. Say hot.
Oh, go there.
Say hot.
Yeah, I will get. Go. Yay. Let's go.
I show Daddy.
Let's go. Ano? Open mo na yung monitor dyan. Baka hindi mo kayang pa andarin yan, ha? Sabihin mo lang. Dito kami ni Josh. Ano, Josh? Josh, ano masasabi mo?
So yung secret.
Wow!
Say
Ay, nakalimutan ko pala yung CarPlay.
Ano yan?
Can we open the biscuit, Mimi?
Okay.
Oh?
Ano, di ako nasusi yan?
Ha?
Di ako nasusi.
Nasaan yung
Hindi.
pang shield mo handi yan sa sun? Binigay?
Yan na.
Pang shield
Oo,
sa
nandyan,
sun?
nandyan.
Wow, ganito. Check natin kung ano yung binigay na sweets. Ano kaya itong sweets na to?
tingnan
Aba, aba.
Kami yung camera mo.
Arabic sweets.
Tingnan mo, look at the camera.
Wait, Han. Para tamasama may. Wow! Chocolates! Look! It's chocolate na. After that, okay? After that, you can eat this. May you see the monitor? Aba, talagang ano, may guide ka pa yan kung paano mo ilalabas, ano.
It's something.
Kaya akin side mirror.
Let's go na.
Okay, side mirror ko na.
Ba, naiibo mo yung side mirror from there?
Ah, yan siya, ano. So, yun siya, yun siya.
Na, inside. Inside. Yeah, I know. She's opening it now.
You like it?
Yeah.
Hmm?
Yes.
Say thank you na. Let's go na, Han. At si tita ay nag-iintay.
Okay.
Bye! Say bye! Yun. Umaalis na po kami. Thank you
I saw Mom.
for our new car. Bo, may line pa. Ano yun? Guide lang yan? Kung saan ka ano? Dadaan? Nice! Woo! Naka-child lock yung kay Zoe?
Hindi ko alam. Mamaya nakalak na.
Naka-child lock na yan?
Nakalak na.
Zoe! Happy? You have a new car?
Mabili pa tayong sali.
Okay, sige. Let's go!
I have
Bibig ko sa
Oh.
Kinakain na ni Zoe ang chocolate na binigay. Good?
Where are we going?
We're going to Lola Lori to bless the car. So, ito guys, meron siyang sunroof. Ayan! Let's open it! Oh! It's very nice. Ayos. Hanggang dyan lang yan?
Hindi.
Nasasagad pa siya hanggang dito sa dulo. Okay, very nice. So, ayan guys, na full open na siya.
100.
Zoe, you can see the sky. You see that?
Yeah.
But there's no stars. Mga uulan na.
Look at the flowers.
It's not. Ah, yeah, because it's different, no?
Yeah.
There is nothing here, no?
No problem. Okay, now everything is
Patayin mo yung music.
done. Now everything is done.
Nasaan na ba yan?
Volume.
Korean candy.
Everything, this is done?
Everything is done. Your tag is activated. You receive account number, PIN number also, and sir, you receive. I also downloaded that application. If you want to make recharge, you can go any petrol station. You can take recharge like this. Scratches, put the number on the.
Okay.
My
Sure.
paper.
It will scan by this
My paper.
barcode. sir.
Thank you.
Now
So,
my
ayan
paper.
guys, naglagay na kami ng salik.
Now my paper.
A few moments later.
So guys, kasama namin si tita kasi bibindasyon na niya yung aming car. Ayan.
Ah, yan ang gusto mo.
Yan.
Yan. Benditado na yan.
Ayan, si tita ang magbe-bless ng aming car.
Anak at ng Diyos Espiritu Santo. O amang banal, amang kataas-taasan, ako'y ibinigay mo upang magaling representative mo dito sa lupa, upang magbendisyon at maglayo sa lahat ng uri ng tukso ng kapahamakan sa mga ibinigay mo sa ating tao, upang sila'y kalingain at iligtas. Panginoon, amang kataas-taasan, Jesus na buhay, Espiritong banal at kasama namin dito, na pumapatnubay, pagkalooban ninyo kami ng kaligtasan, lukuban mo kami ng banal na Espiritu na naririto sa aming mga puso. At kung sino man ang magdadala ng sasakyang ito, siya ay iyong kalingain, ang kanyang mga kamay ay iyong ilagay sa tamang direksyon upang mapaghawakan niya ang maayos na paglalakad, kagaya ng iyong ipinangako kay Moses at hiling ni Moses sa iyong banal na kasulatan at iyong mga salita, na saan man si Moses pumunta ay iyong papatnubayan, at saan man siya dalhin sapagkat iyong kalooban. At gayon din naman, sapagkat pangako mo ikaw ang nakaraan, ang kasalukuyan, at ang panahong darating magpakailanman. Ngayon kami nasa panahong ito, hinihiling namin ang patnubay mo kay Moises, na at ibigay mo sa amin iyong mga anak, na iplinano niyo pa bago palikhain ang mundong ito, at kami ang makikinabang na mga blessing ni Abraham, Isaac at Jacob. Panginoong Hesus, bendisyonan mo ang sasakyang ito na nagkakaloob ng pag-iingat para sa mag-anak at kanilang sasakyan saan man sila pumunta. Sa pangalan ng iyong anak na si Jesucristong aming Panginoon dito sa lupa at sa langit. Sapagkat iyong anak at ibinigay mo ang iyong pangalan sa kanya, Panginoon. Ang dugo ni Jesucristo ay ibigay mo sa amin upang maging proteksyon namin sa aming pamumuhay habang kami naririto sa lupa. Oh, Jesus, 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 takmalahan itilitin kitanta, sokromolok itong pili hatini, makratuk kuhukuk makra, hiksik hilikin tinya, mokrihik di Kristi hakra, orik niya litikli, hakiti tinintikin isiliti, halo makanta sampa, makratapu punto, hakto simi tinti hakra,
Amen.
makra,
Amen.
pukri kanti,
Amen.
hakra, hakra,
Amen.
haksa, kanta, makrika,
Amen.
tikinti.
Amen. Amen. Hanapin mo yung labasan, yung likod.
Bubuksan, ilahin mo. Ilahin mo.
Tita. Amen. 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 Amen.
Diyos.
Ang bigat. So, ayan guys, na-bless na ang aming cart. Tatanggalin na namin ang mga plastic covers ng halimbawa, this one, and yung meron sa manibela. Anong tawag
This
dyan?
one also.
Anong tawag dyan? Dyan.
Dashboard.
Sa may dashboard. Ayan, tatanggalin na namin yung plastics. Oh, are you ready na? You want to try? Remove the plastic?
Remove this one.
Oh, remove that one. I will video you na. Go. Zoe will remove the cover.
Here, pull it, pull it.
Yes. Ooh, it's so good. Nice. Other one.
I can see it better.
How about this one? You'll remove this one? Yes.
This is the white one. Get the white one. The white. Yeah.
What happened?
It's so sticky.
Remove.
Yay. Ooh, nice. Another one up.
See?
Yay. What else?
This one.
The plastic.
This.
The plastic.
Plastic.
Yes.
Pull it.
Oh, yay.
Go on mommy's side.
This one pa. Remove. Wait. I will help you. Yay. Yeah, wait na. Hello. Peekaboo. Do you like your car?
Yes.
Yay.